My children, come closer. Let me tell you about Odinani and Omenani, the sacred ways of our ancestors. In those days, we lived by the laws of Ani, the Earth Mother, justice itself. Her laws were clear. Never harm the innocent, never take life, never steal, lie, or commit adultery. Breaking these laws brought misfortune, sickness, or even death. Refusing to confess, Ikpu Alu, meant disgrace and being cast into the evil forest. Ani is not a spirit, but a covenant with Chukwu, and her truth is held by the sacred Ofor. Today, some claim to follow Odinani while committing evil, rituals, fraud, killings, but true Odinani forbids such acts. Even accidental killing required exile. Adultery without confession brought curses. Our ancestors lived in truth, even when it was hard. Only the righteous became ancestors. But that, my children, is a story for another day. Kao Diba.